Oh, we got the head off. It's not looking the best in there.
No, they don't look the fucking...
Nice new head gasket there, ready to go. Got the head back on, without breaking anything. Oh, we'll replace the head gasket and a few other gaskets while we're at it. Sprayed some zinc paint on there. It's all back together. Now just about to give it a test run and see what happens. Hopefully that solves the water in the cylinder issue. But I have a bad feeling it might be in this side here. Don't think that's ever been apart. Power head's off. Bit of rust in there.
There's a little bit of clean out. So that's your exhaust there, right? Coming up.
Yeah. And we can lift that pretty much straight off. There's a bit of a clean. Trying to get these bolts out. How many of these are going to snap, Wade?
None, mate. So far, so good.
Fingers crossed. We got that part off with a bit of fun. Now just got to get this remaining section off. I think it's these two bolts that snapped, so we've corroded in there.
What's that one there?
Finally. mess. That doesn't look too good. We'll give all this a clean up, get it all machine flat, and hopefully it stops our water issue. We got 2 out of 3 of these bolts out that are broken off. And this one's just moving, we've got enough to bite onto. So we can get that to focus just enough in there. So get that one out and then we'll analyse it and see if it's worth rebuilding.